Okay, children. So next, second topic, the pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, children. So in this, second topic is relation between coefficients and system of equations. See here. So based on that, if you know that one table, then we will get then what is a pair of lines. The second one is comparison of ratio. Next, interpretation or algebraic graphical representation. Next, solutions. So this is children, carefully. So pair of lines, comparison of ratio, algebraic interpretation, and graphical representation, solutions. So based on this table, first I will explain table, then after from the second topic we will find out. Okay? So here problems. The first one, first two equations, first condition. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So here, comparison of ratio a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, which means here they will give numbers, children. Instead of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, they will give, before one problem I explained, no? Same like they will give numbers. So if you find out a1 by a2, what answer you are getting, that answer is not equal to b1 by b2. Then, if you will get like, see children here, like, then algebraic interpretation. So what we will get? So here, consistent and independent. So why I will explain about this? Then consistent and independent. Graphical representation, intersecting lines. Right. Solutions, only one solution. See children, if they will give like 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, then 3x plus 5y plus 7 is equal to 0. When we will find out a1 by a2, 2 by 3 is not equal to b1 by b2, 3 by 5. Both are not equal. So that's why Then when we are comparing ratio of coefficients, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, if you get, yes, then if you draw lines, these lines intersecting like, not only here or somewhere the lines will intersect, so intersecting lines. So when the lines are intersecting and a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then the lines are called consistent and independent lines. Remember, when the lines, the condition a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, the lines are intersecting lines. When the lines are intersecting, the lines can call as consistent lines or independent lines. Okay, children? Then when we are getting intersecting lines, then how many solutions we are having to the given lines? Only one solution. Means x value you will get 1 and y value you will not 1. Means any one value you will get. Here also any one value. So here this is first condition. And second one is a1 by a1x b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. If you find out ratio, then you will get a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. If the condition is satisfied like this is inconsistent, right? Here parallel lines, no solutions. So if you draw a graph, then you will get like parallel. So when we are getting parallel lines, the lines are called as inconsistent lines. Then, okay, so when we have the condition system of graph is inconsistent, then we can say parallel lines. So no solution. So here parallel lines, no solution, inconsistent. Then third one, a1x b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Here consistent and dependent. Okay, children? Here coincident lines. Many solutions or infinite solutions. Okay, children, means if you draw a graph, then you will get both are in one place. This is first equation. Second equation also on the first line you will get. So that's why coincident lines. When the coincident lines you are getting, the lines we can say consistent and dependent. Right. So the given lines, pair of linear equations based on the ratio, comparison of ratio. So a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. If these first two are not equal, intersecting lines, consistent and independent, only one solution. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 parallel lines, inconsistent, no solutions. Then here 3 are equal, A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. These 3 are equal, coincident lines, then consistent and dependent, many solutions and infinite solutions. Okay? So based on this, they will ask questions, children. So the questions, how to solve the given problems based on by using these 3 conditions, we will discuss in the next class. Okay?